is a message to all the girl them I take next girl, man. The girl go in a man phone and text the girl and tell him, say, well, go and baby, you can come link me today. Which a long time him go to the woman yard when the woman gone to work to the woman man.
Yeah.
So she know everywhere she go, she know the door number, she know everything. So the woman stay in her house, him and fear her friend. And text her. And she pull up at the woman door.
So you think I man text him?
Yes.
And I woman?
Tell himself that the woman man text him, but the woman use the man phone text she.
Them to check in?
And him check in at the woman yard, you know. Him say when him pull the door and go in, it's a baseball bat him get. First. And him there on floor. And woman start batter him.
Man had a girl.
Man had a friend. Him say that girl jump down on him and pop off him drawers.
Yeah.
And when him look, him see that girl bust out one big pepper and start rub up salt with it, you know. Wallow up in him salt with the pepper, you know.
Yeah.
That's the woman say, boy, him not know way. Him get her, but he come like a God help him and him fight and get where, you know, brother.
Pepper strength there.
With a pepper strength there, you know, and him get up from them two man and take away himself. The woman says straight to our doctor surgery, him run go.
Yeah.
And doctor, he him injection, fling and sleeping thing for him and him drop sleep and wake up. So when him go home and look for pussy swell up and red.
Real bad cat. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, cat. Yeah, man. Anyway, yeah, man. Welcome back to the channel again. Gabidan Family TV. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself, peeps. Yeah, man. That's another one, you know. Yeah, man. Laughter is always good. Laughter is the best medicine. Anyway, we have a video. Well, yeah, some videos I actually kind of share. With Bad Cat, we actually kind of have a laugh still, you know. Yeah, man. So, Bad Cat is actually, well, yeah, storyteller, comedian. Yeah, man. Very good at that, you know. Yeah, man. So, if you know Bad Cat, yeah, man, you're going to know him today, you know. So, anyway, peeps, just a laugh. Yeah, man. I kind of share the laughter today, you know. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. So, I kind of just share some videos. I go through some videos. Yeah, man. Based on Bad Cat. Yeah, man. So Bad Cat actually was originally well, we actually start out from, I think, actually Jizzyberg. Yeah, man. Long time comedian. Yeah, man. Sight man. Yeah, man. Cat then call him. Yeah, man. Full of story and vibes, you know. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. So we can just kind of just go through some video. Have a laugh. Yeah, man. Just have a laugh, you know. Enjoy yourself. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man. Anyway, I just play another video. You know. I just hope you're enjoying the clips so far. I'm just kind of just go through some funny moments. Yeah, man. So, this is actually some funny moments of Bad Cat. So, I kind of just go through them clip by clip. I will just kind of just talk about it a little bit. Yeah, man. Alright. Alright, so we kind of just start over that. Yeah, man.
One man tell me what side say. Him have 58.
Yeah.
2 days for 60.
Yes, brother. 2
2
years.
days.
Oh, 2 days. So like 2 days and birthday. Yeah.
Call it 2 days. 2 years still, but me say 2 days.
Yeah.
Him go doctor at the age of 58.
Yeah.
Say him a go test prostate cancer. When me a go a doctor go test that. If a that will kill me, you know make it kill me.
And you are 58 already. Yeah. So you feel say when you are 58, if you didn't even have it,
Make
you
it
can't
kill
stay.
me. Yeah, man.
So you wouldn't go make a doctor check you?
No. So him say when him go,
Yeah.
him tell doctor why him come out. Doctor carry him in a room. Tell him to take off clothes. So me say, a man doctor, and him say, a man. But him from head to foot, me say, brother, that's wrong, you know. What one in a that room? Him say, doctor go for him finger boots.
No, man, tell that man if I'm a cat, man, a one cat, man. Yeah, man, one bad cat.
Glad you know how we have to test
Fan finger.
Straight this out, blow.
Push up this in a him. Tell him say no have nothing, but him to come back next. Tell him say doctor look you. Old man like you know. You are going to tell me say me no have that now and next year me fi come back. So a finger in me life. Then I must blood clot finger in me life. So man I push up finger in me. Eh? Me a what? Me a go back to this.
Let me test you if he come back. If he come.
Look at so I me no have.
Alright, so we kind of talk about that's something we actually laugh about. Alright, so this video is actually Baraka telling a story about somebody actually familiar with. So this person actually went to the doctor for do a prostate checkup. Yeah, man. So based on the examination was a male doctor, which what a man really like them thing this still. You understand? Well, prostate checkup on a whole. No man really like that, tell you the honest truth. So Barakat actually is saying that in his story. That the doctor actually tell him and say, he never find anything. So if you come back for another prostate checkup. So that was something I actually laugh about. That was very funny. Yeah, man, one Barakat, man. Yeah, man. So we actually can just go through another clip. Just share some funny moments. Yeah, man. Bless upon yourself. Just have a laugh, you know?
Yeah, man,
Can I start over that?
where's it though?
Yeah, man, same dung parish I make crazy money. Yeah, man, and him come back, yeah? And him there for 1 week. Nice same pants, shirt, and boot. You can't light one cigarette in peace.
You just take you for your mouth.
My bigger drum. I tell them, say, but we not give drum. And there's something there back in the day, something you will come with, brother. Then 1 week, too much money done, and you just come back to one.
Yeah, man, only for money.
Done, so then you left you lie down there and come up without it. So you take we a feed, yeah. You just come up, left your bag of money where you make down, so. And come up now and make you even light a crepe in peace, you kayo. Your clothes want change, you can't go buy one suit out the road, because you never come with no bag. You understand? So you know go buy one suit in the town, me go in and I can buy a suit, you know.
Yeah, man,
and change and put on and go about my business again, you know. So where him come from? I make money, so I come here to look so. You believe in that?
No, you know, say my friend left from here already. Lighthouse, Lana, run sentence beer. I want stereograph dance, you know. I will left from this and I want place further down the road named Chuck Stop. You know? Chuck Stop over now where I come up in the morning. And we say, blood, God, then don't give a father on the right. So we want beer because we steal, you know. One light sweat out. We don't just go down in and watch it on, go buy shorts and marry and everything, man.
Then where you are go without money? You can't go nowhere without money.
No.
Where you should have go in this world now without money.
And you come to down and make much in money.
And I come back at your parish where you come from. And I come without money. And with the blood clot you better come for. Anyway, me go no, man, you should know. You're not ready to come back yet, man.
You're not ready yet?
No, sir. And when you're on him a reason, the most money he make a dung, so.
So wait there.
Wait there, you can't see it. And he nah go back, you know. Nah go back a blood clot and that. So what happened to them money there?
Talking to this and talking that.
Yeah, man. So that was actually Barda Cat and crew. Yeah, man, all our reasoning. Nice video. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Cat. Yeah, man. So that was actually a story about such man. Yeah, man. You know, when I come from a country where in claim to say money there, and you come back and I see him clothes and all of these things. You know. Yeah, man, but one Barda Cat, man. Alright, so we can go through another video, you know, of this hilarious moment. Yeah, man. Alright, one Barda Cat. Alright, so our next video, peeps.
I'm like, man, I'm a cream for rum.
Yes, brother.
I put it on them, because when we buy rum, take a little bit of more chaser.
Chaser, yes, brother.
Yeah.
I know me buy $5.
Yeah, man. I want to see your drink.
Yes, brother. You're supposed to put in double and triple in your cup. Drink single like me.
Little more, I see you start, got two sides. Yeah, man.
Still ask if I want more, see me, you know.
I see your bow, me know, say yes, one of your spring bend.
Ben, you know.
Yeah, man. Say yes, man. Let's give you a little bit more time.
You know.
All three spring I got me. Yeah, man. I'm bridging on me go road, you know, such man, you know, when him a drink, you know. We just have sure say film cup did it, so I drink him chatting up, you know. See me cup the side of film bridging on did it, so. And we have a queue, yes, every time full of rum. Yes, every time when him a chat. And I turn all back, me throw a raw rum in a film.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's the way brother.
Yeah, man.
Hop up your cup with rum.
Yeah, man, because I have one big Kyle in a pocket, so, you know. So, I want to put him for sleep.
You do what?
Now, take this, brother. Soon as him take 2 shots, you see him make up beats.
Why now rum get so hot?
Yeah, man, I see you walk around and turn around and me tap you up again.
No, turn off that video there now.
Make him drink this blood clot and lay down same place. That's so shake him. Take off every kind of him blood clot and dollar, brother. When him wake him mad, you know. Broke him now have $1. Yeah, man.
Hello.
What? Kill bartender, say bartender rob him.
Yeah, man. Otherwise, I go call him, buy him rum, brother. I know me I get back all money when I spend on more.
One Barda Cat. Yeah, man. But you don't know, man, see, that was actually just a joke still. Yeah. You know. Yeah, man full of vibes and full of story, you know. It's actually kind of good for actually kind of sit down and listen to the thing, you still kind of full of vibes. Yeah, man, bless up on yourself, man. Yeah, man, just a laugh, you know. Anyway, play another clip. Anyway, one Barda Cat a go on, one cat. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Me I tell him, say, yo, brother, no fling no stone on my hand.
What part of years whistle that you ever
Like
catch you?
Like a fling, me tell him, say, fling. Me just tell mom, say, go feel my shit. I come up and I see that blood clot. Me tell Dwight, say, hold him. Me come up, he look like Dwight, afraid to hold him, but Dwight stick him up. Give him 2 blood clot, slap out of my cutlass, you know, brother. Him want tell me about him now violate. Me tell him, say, violate, man, do what you want to. Chop off your blood clot, eh.
So the man just take slap out of my shit
Then
and
what
gone.
him for do?
Then I feel him up.
Then what him for do?
So he couldn't slap your
Then me
back.
not tell him no fling down on me yard. Blood clot, man. On my yard, this and me say no fling down your brother. You fi just hear and go on where you go. When you see that man, you again, you hold him a road.
The
You
cat.
fling up big stone on my yard, so far.
But if you fling big stone on the
No,
cat.
brother, me a turn back and stop.
But cat.
Yeah.
But when you slap the man, yes or no? Why your yard.
Yeah.
And you go a road now. And the man buck your road now.
Him now fi bad, brother. see me and slap me back. Yes, him have a bad time, but I dead this time.
The
You
man,
think some just easy if he slap, sir?
the man can hide you to and bust
That
up
him
your
have
head,
to
you know.
do. That him have to do. Him not brave, say now them the guts there. So him have to just do that.
I'm some the other boy now is stone you.
Sorry for that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Really bad a cat, you know? Yeah, man. So that was actually Store Time by Bad Cat. Yeah, man. So anyway, I have one more video I actually cannot play. I really am much it still, but just a laugh. Yeah, man. Bless upon yourself. Laughter is good, you know? Laughter is best medicine. Yeah, man. So, be the last video here. So, go on. Yeah, man. Bless upon yourself. Pips. Yeah, man. One Gabidan Family TV. That is it. Thanks to all of me genuine supporters and for support the channel, because you don't know, you have to try something. You have to do something. You understand? Yeah, man. So let's take a little time out and make you just give us some joke, make you laugh. Yeah, man. I mean, I've worked on more than video for doing anyway still, because you don't know the channel have nice. Yeah, man. So one more Bad Cat again.
Sorry for that, I go on. I go club all the way, you know. I go there sit down and have a drink. Go, come one dance, so I'm if I buy them something to, but me ask them if them trust. Them say trust. I say, yeah, if you not trust, fuck. Them say, no, brother. Him run, go call him friends, say, if you can listen what me I say. I say, yeah, me ask if you not trust, fuck. Them say, no, I first, them I hear this.
That is it. Yeah, man. Come to a close. That was one Bad Cat. Yeah, man. Good storyteller. Comedian. Yeah, man. It was a good one. Yeah, man. So, anyway, if you actually make it so far in the video, yeah, man, give a thanks, you know. Just remember to subscribe, comment and share. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, man. So anyway, it was a good vibe. It was a good vibe. Yeah, man. So until the next videos, because we actually have some more videos I'm actually kind of want to do. I like these, nice, clean and funny. Yeah, man. So anyway, just bless upon yourself and just, do the right thing. Yeah, man. Give the video a thumbs up, like, comment and share. Until the next video. Yeah, man. Bless upon yourself. Gabidan Family TV. I'm out.